Báwo ni, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́, àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́. The word te is to press. For example, if you want to matching the floor, you say one te ile. Te is to also punch. Te. Then the word jíṣẹ. Jíṣẹ, mimi, is coming from the word jí, which is to wake up. Jimasu, to wake up. And it also means to activate. To activate something. Jíṣẹ. Then iṣẹ́. Iṣẹ́ is work. So when you then say jí iṣẹ́, that means to wake up work. In other words, to activate work. In other words, to deliver a message. Jíṣẹ. So when you then say te jíṣẹ, that means press, to deliver as a message to someone. So when you then make a noun out of it, say ate jíṣẹ, the act of pressing, and in order to deliver as a message to someone. And that's where you get the word text message or SMS in Yoruba. Ate jíṣẹ, ate jíṣẹ. And to send the text message is to fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́, fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́, fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́, ránṣẹ́. Fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí, the noun or pronoun. Fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí, jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí, noun or pronoun. For example, mo fẹ́ fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí Lékan. Ṣé o ti fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí Olófòfò? Right. Or to receive a text message, gba what? Àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́. Mi ò rí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ láìpẹ́ o máa gba àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ mi. Right. So to receive a text message is to gba àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́. To send a text message is to fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí then the person. Nígbà wo ni o rí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ mi? When did you see my text message? So you can rí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ also, which means to see it. Right. You can also fèsì sí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́. That means to reply a text message from someone, because the word èsì is respond. So to fèsì is to reply. Mo máa fèsì sí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ní ọ̀la. That means I will reply to your text message tomorrow. Right. So you can gba àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́, you can fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́, you can fèsì sí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́. If you can see my àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́, you can also read it. So you can ka àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́. Ṣé o ka àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ tí mo fi ránṣẹ́ sí ẹ? Did you read the text message I sent to you? Right. Nígbà wo ni o fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí mi? When did you send text message to me? So I want you to give me 5 sentences with àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ in them. Right. Let me see it. Oh yeah. Boom. Kí n gbọ́. Èdè yìí kò gbọdọ̀ parun.